Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here 33 acres of very fruited ocean view land for sale. It comes with a 4,500 square feet, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom house. It is in St. Margaret's, Portland. This property is neatly tucked away within a minute of the North Coast Highway in St. Margaret's Bay, just minutes from Rio Grande, Swift River, and other beaches and attractions in St. Margaret's Bay and Hope Bay. The property is ideal for housing development, ecotourism, farming, a private villa, or a combination of all of the above. Portland has stunning beaches, rivers, and lush vegetation, along with several popular tourist attractions such as Boston Jerk Center, Somerset Falls, Reach Falls, Blue Lagoon, and Frenchman's Cove Beach, all within proximity. Call, email, or WhatsApp agent to arrange viewing or to make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.1 million, Jamaican 331.3 million, Canadian 3 million, Euro 1.9 million, or 1.6 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.